Okay, this is Dr. RJ Bruno, or Dr. RJB, as some may know it. And today I wanted to talk about cavitation lipolysis. I recently had a video on body sculpting. This is one of the body sculpting techniques. Using ultrasound, the ultrasound can cause microscopic bubbles to form. When you shine an ultrasound on a glass of water, tiny little bubbles will form and then collapse. When they collapse, they release energy. And this energy can be used in industry or in medicine to cause something to happen. When you shine the ultrasound on the fat cells, these bubbles forming and imploding releases energy into the fat cell, causes damage to the fat cell, and releases the fat into the system to be removed by the body. Because you've damaged the fat cell, it's never coming back. So by doing this, you can remove fat cells in an area that has an abnormal deposition of fats. So you can kind of shape an area that has a fat deposit and remove that fat deposits. Now, with this technique, because we shine it through the skin, sometimes there can be a little bit of bruising of the skin, which is a temporary thing. There may be a little bit of discomfort in the fatty tissue area, but in general, a person who has cavitation therapy can go right back to work after the treatment is done. In general, because of the complications are minimal, this is a much safer procedure than removal of fat surgically. The cavitation therapy is usually done by a therapist, and I have mentioned before that a friend of mine, Melissa Quinones, does this therapy. She has an Instagram site, and gave the link to that on my Facebook page. I'll try to provide a link with this video also. So hopefully you check it out. Because I'm a doctor, I just want to throw in at the end, you can always discuss this procedure with your primary care doctor. I think, like I said, it's a safe and effective technique. All right, take care.